Hello and welcome back to Casemate. We have been getting so many questions on TikTok and Instagram and social, like a lot. Today, we are answering the most frequently asked questions about the Jelly Tote in one place. So listen up. Whether you're wondering about size, cleaning, how much it fits, or how to style it, we've got you covered. Let's jump in. I love this question from Bag Lady Beth. What even is the Jelly Tote? Great question, because no, it's not made of actual jelly. I know, disappointing. The Jelly Tote is waterproof and easy to clean. It's also a lightweight tote designed for everyday life, whether that's errands, travel, beach day, poolside, gym trip, you name it. It's spacious, but it's still comfortable to carry thanks to the wide jacquard straps. Plus, it's foldable, so you can pack it as an extra bag when you're on the go or when you're on vacation. What fits inside? I also love this question. The short answer is a lot. The long answer is towels, water bottles, snacks, makeup bag, change of clothes, iPads, iPods, laptop, that random pouch that we all carry that has absolutely everything except what we're looking for. It's roomy without feeling like you're hauling around luggage. And it has a flat bottom, and that means it doesn't just collapse into a sad puddle when you put it on the table or when you put it on the floor. We love a stable queen. Is that a phone holder? What can it hold? Great question, Amanda Moves, exclamation point. One of the features we see questions about is the detachable water-resistant phone pouch. So many social posts highlight how useful this is for hands-free storage. This little beauty keeps your phone from playing hide and seek at the bottom of your bag. You can attach it on the inside, keep it accessible, and still use your phone through the clear window. Which means pool day selfies, check. Beach playlist control, also yes. I guess we don't use auxiliary cords anymore, so yeah, just whoever has a stronger Bluetooth connection. And texting your friend, I'm here, while still on the way, also yes. This is one of those features you don't realize you needed until you have it. Can I really wash this? A very valid question. And the answer is yes. I just always wipe it down with a damp cloth for small messes, or I machine wash it on cold, delicate, and do not put it in the dryer. But that's only for deeper cleanup. Be sure also to make sure your washing machine can handle this. The material is also designed to repel water and stand up to splashes, rain, everyday spills, which for me usually includes coffee. And that's why a lot of people love to use our Jelly Totes at the beach or the pool. What colors are there? Do you have one with bows? I love this question. Chloe with the bow. Fabulous. There's a huge range from classic solids like our midnight black, and silver chrome, and soap bubble to seasonal prints like latte gingham bow or navy twilly. Some colors, like our beautiful ballet pink bow, come with bows or twilly accents, and all of them sell out fast. You can check out our deep dive into our different colorways in our collection video. Pro tip, if you see a color you love, maybe this one, don't wait to grab it. Some of those sell out really fast. And yes, we've seen the comments, and yes, we've felt the heartbreak, but don't say we didn't warn you. Need to know sizes. Another common question is, how big is it? The Jelly Tote is sized around 17 inches long, 12 inches high, or a foot, and 8 inches wide, or 8 inches in depth, which makes it roomy enough for your daily essentials and still carry-on friendly for travel. And the flat bottom right here helps keep it stable when you load it up. I also love that I can see inside even when I'm packing it. Can I use this for every day, or is it just for the weekend? So many comments ask if it's practical beyond beach days and pool days. The answer, absolutely. It's super versatile. Users say that it's great for workouts, errands, travel, parks, work, and more. So it's not just a seasonal bag. Whether you're hauling groceries or towels or your kids' soccer cleats, you'll find it to be functional and stylish. And people on Instagram and TikTok actually use it daily. And of course, I use it daily myself. Lauren Miller 22, what else comes with the bag? Depending on the style, a lot of our totes come with fun accents like our bow or the twilly scarf, and all of our totes come with the detachable pouch for easy organization, which is great because we all pretend we're organized, but really we just move those small messes into one location. Not messy if I can't see it, right? And our last question, who can I call if I have a problem with my tote? People ask about warranty and returns. Casemate products usually come with a 1-year warranty for defects and quality issues. Be sure to check our website for details on returns, exchanges, or warranty claims if something doesn't seem right. Bonus! Our customer service team is based right here in the US. In fact, I could literally walk to their office right now. Seriously, it's like 100 feet away. I'm sure they wish they were further away from me, but still! Here are a few top user tips we've seen across our social platforms. Number 1, the jelly material makes cleaning these bags super quick. Number 2, fold it flat to pack as a backup travel bag or a carry-on. Number 3, use the phone pouch inside to keep your device out of the bottom of your tote so it's easier to grab. To be honest, it's one of those bags people end up using way more than they expected, which is kind of the best review if you think about it. So that's your Jelly Tote FAQ straight from the comment section. If you have one, tell us what you use it for. Beach, work, gym, secret snack transport. And if you still have questions, drop them below. We might just make a part 2. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more product deep dives and fun content just like this. We'll catch you next time.